Buddha Science and Technical Institute is an educational wing of Lord Gautam Buddha Trust. It is situated at Chuna Bhatta, Kokar, Ranchi, near Birsa Samadhi Asthal, Jharkhand. Their mobile number is 09835376044 and 09199847964. WhatsApp number 090063658889 and website is www.bharatsar.com. Founder of this institution is Information Scientist Bharat Bhushan. The main objective of this institution is to provide a better environment for preparation of IIT-JEE and medical. BSTI provides excellent educational facilities at low cost for economically poor students. BSTI forms strong foundation for 11th, 12th classes students with IIT-JEE and medical. It also provides technical education in the field of computer science like C, C++, Java, Python and other programming languages. BSTI runs free computer classes for poor students. Many students have qualified in engineering and medical examinations. You can join the classes for strong foundation of 11th, 12th with IIT-JEE and medical preparation.
बांटता चला धन धम्म का जीवन भर की कमाई, गूंजने लगी जम्बो द्वीप में बुद्ध की मधुर वाणी। बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि, धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि, संघं शरणं गच्छामि।